Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel, where we're all about natural beauty. Today we're diving into the world of skincare with a simple, effective routine that will help you achieve clear, healthy skin. Forget the complicated multi-step routines, we're keeping it natural and basic with just a few key steps. We'll cover cleansing and hydration, exfoliation and protection, and a bonus step for an extra boost. Let's get started. First up, cleansing and hydration. It's all about starting with a clean slate. Choose a gentle cleanser that removes makeup, dirt, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural oils. Micellar water or a gentle oil-based cleanser are great options. After cleansing, it's essential to lock in moisture. A natural moisturizer like aloe vera gel or jojoba oil will keep your skin hydrated and balanced. Now for exfoliation and protection. Gentle exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, revealing fresh, glowing skin. Look for a natural scrub with ingredients like sugar or oatmeal. And don't forget sun protection. Always use a natural sunscreen containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. For an extra boost, consider incorporating a natural serum or face mask. These can target specific concerns like dryness or uneven skin tone. So there you have it, a simple, effective natural skincare routine. Remember, cleansing, hydrating, exfoliating, and protecting are the key steps. Consistency is key. Don't be afraid to experiment with different natural ingredients to find what works best for your skin type. There are endless possibilities to achieve healthy, glowing skin. Start your journey to natural skincare today and embrace the power of simplicity.